Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this kilohexamings cube. Kilohexamings is mode version of kilomings cube. So basically they have reshaped the kilomings cube. So basically it is edge turning, so it turns from here. And as you know, kilomings is basically corners only puzzle, so there is no center, no edges, only corners are there. So it is unlike megaminx where you will have center, edges and corners. Here you will not have corner, centers, edges, only corners. So there are only two main algorithms by which you can solve kilominx. So but since it's a shape shifter and it changes the perspective, so let's first scramble it and then we'll solve layer by layer, because we have to first fix the first layer like this. So this is our first layer and this is our first layer. So and then we have to go by layer. So then if we are starting from here, so this is our first layer, then we'll go with this layer and then we solve the top layer. So in this case also we'll solve the cube accordingly. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So I've also scrambled kilomings. So our first step is to fix the first layer. So like this is white, red and blue, so we need another white, either red or blue. So we'll have to find, okay, this is white, red and green. So what we'll do is we'll fix that. This is the piece which we need to fix. So it is like a beginner's method. We have to fix this corner over here. So it is R U R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Similarly we have to find blue piece is here. So what we can do is we can bring this here and now we can fix white, blue and yellow piece. So from here it is R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Now this white, yellow and purple, so we have to fix this R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Now next is this piece. So first we'll have to bring this on top and then we'll bring it here. So now we can fix it R U R prime U prime. So our first layer is done. Okay, here since it's a shape shifter, we have to first we need to identify. So we'll start with white. So this is white piece, so we need another white similar shape color. So it is here. So what we'll do is we have to fix this piece over here. So R U R prime U prime, again R U R prime U prime, again R U R prime u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, and u prime. So you can see we have two pieces together. So now we have to build around this. Okay, so we have now we need to find one more white, and here it is red. So we have to find one corner which has white and red color. So this is the piece that is white and red color, so that will fix here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this piece over here. Okay, so now we'll have to fix this. So r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, and u prime. So you can see this is fixed. Okay, so now we should have one more piece which is like this shape, which has white and blue color. So we need to find that piece. So it is here, that has blue and white color. So this piece we need to bring it over here. So what we'll do is we'll simply rotate it like this, and now we have to fix it. So this piece will come here. So it is r u, r prime, and u prime. So you can see this is also fixed. Okay, now we need one more corner piece like this shape. These all are corners, but I mean they have different shapes. There are two different shapes of corners. So now we need to find one corner which has this kind of shape. So that should have white and orange color. So white and orange, it is here only. So we need to just fix this over here. So it is r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, and u prime. R prime, u prime. So this piece is not basically for this side. We need to find another white and orange because this doesn't fit here. So okay, so we should have white, orange, and blue. So this is white, orange, and green. So probably this piece, white, orange, and blue. So this is the right piece. So r u, r prime, and u prime. So this is fixed. Okay, so now we can see our first layer is done. So this is our first layer. So now we'll build around this layer. Okay, so in I mean next step is to build the second layer from here So we should have one piece which has yellow and blue color. So it is here. So it is simply, it has come into its place. Okay, one piece we need blue and red, blue red corner. So blue and red corner, it is right here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this up, and now we'll do this algorithm, that is r u r prime u prime 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 r u r prime and u prime. So now you can see this is also fixed. Okay, now we need one more piece, that is red and green. So one piece which has red and green piece is here. So we have to bring this next to each other, and now we can do it from here also, because red is on left. So it is L prime U prime L and U, and it is fixed. Now this is beginner's method. Anyway, if you know how to solve 3x3 beginner's method, you can easily solve this. So this is green and orange, one corner which has green and orange. So sorry, green and purple. So it is here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll first bring this up. So now we have to fix it. So r u r prime u prime r prime u prime r u r prime u prime. So this is also fixed. Okay, now purple and yellow. So where is purple and yellow? Purple and yellow is here. So first we'll have to bring this on top. So we'll bring this on top, and now we'll bring it over here. We have to bring this piece over here. So first take this out, and now we have to fix this piece over here. So it is r u r prime u prime u r prime u prime r u r prime u prime. So this is fixed. Okay, now we have to fix the top corners. So we'll start with here, one corner which has blue, green and pink. Blue, green and pink. It is here. Okay, so this piece will come here. So r u r prime u prime, this is fixed. This is already into its place, but it is rotated. So r u r prime u prime r u r prime u prime. So this is fixed. Again this piece, yellow green and blue, yellow, green and blue. So this is fixed. This is already into its place, but it is rotated. So r u r prime u prime. So this is also fixed. Yellow, orange and green. So this piece will come here. And this is fixed. So now we are left with top layer only. Okay. Sorry. So now we are having we have solved first layer. Now we'll have to build from here. So here there should be one corner like piece which has white, orange So that is white and orange, this piece. Okay, so we have to bring this piece over here. So it is simply RU R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Okay, now we have to fix this piece. This piece we have to fix later on. We can fix now also. This has to be white and green. So the piece, this kind of piece which has white and green color, so it is here. So we'll have to first bring this on top, and now we'll fix it over here. So this piece will come here. So RU R prime U prime RU R prime U prime RU R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Next is this white, green and red. White, green and red. So it is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this piece over here. So now we have to replace these two. So RU R prime and U prime. So this is fixed. Okay, so now you can see it is taking shape. Okay, now next is this piece. Here it should be red and green piece. So red and green. So this piece will come here. So it is simply RU R prime U prime, again RU R prime U prime, again RU R prime and U prime. So this is fixed. Now we can see it. Okay, next is again same red and blue color, same shape piece, that is here, red and blue. So this piece will come here. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to rotate this and bring it over here. So now we have to replace this piece. So RU R prime U prime. So this is also fixed. Okay, next is this piece. So this is red blue corner. So red and blue corner, it is here. So what we'll do is we'll bring this piece so this piece will come here. So it has red and blue. So we have red and blue. So RU R prime and U prime, again RU R prime U prime, RU R prime and U prime. Okay, so this is fixed. Now next is we have to fix this piece. So this is already into its place, but it is rotated. So we have to just rotate this piece. So RU R prime U prime, RU R prime U prime, again RU R prime U prime, RU R prime and U prime. So this is fixed. Okay, now next is this corner piece which should be here. So we'll rotate it, we'll see. So it is there in its place, but it is rotated. So we have to just rotate the piece. So we'll try from here, we'll rotate with this. So RU R prime u prime, r u, r prime, u prime. So this is into its correct color. Okay, now next is blue and orange. So blue and orange is here, so we have to just bring this piece. This is blue and orange, we need to fix it here. So what we'll do is we'll first bring this piece over here, so simply bring it here. Okay, now we have to replace this. So what we'll do is we'll replace from here, so that this all other pieces will not get disturbed. So r u, r prime, u prime, and now we'll see whether it is fixed. Yes, it is fixed. So this is fixed. Now next is this orange piece will come here, so r u, r prime, u prime, again r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, u prime, r u, r prime, and u prime. So now you can see we are left with the top layer only. All other layers are now done. So okay, so now in last layer we have to use second algorithm. Till now we have used only one algorithm, that is r u, r prime, u prime. So now we have to fix the corners. So what we have to do is we have to first see whether any of the corners are placed into its proper position or not. So this one piece we can see that is into its place, and all other pieces are, even this piece is also into its correct place, this is also into its correct place. So I think all pieces are into its correct place. So what I'll do is I'll just change the position of the corners. Okay, so now I have changed the positions of corners. So now we'll see these corners belong to this side. So this is the corner, this is not the correct place, this is into its correct place, this is not into its correct place, this is also not into its correct place. Okay. So now first step is we have to first match any of the corner with the below layer. We can try with this also, and we can try with this also. And now we are first step is to bring two pieces together. So the algorithm is you keep this piece which is matching with the bottom layer, this layer, and into right side, and we have to perform this algorithm. So it is u, r, 2 u prime, this is our L, so L prime, 2 u, r prime, 2 u prime, and L. Okay, what this will do is this will rotate these three pieces. Okay, now we have to see whether we have got a pair of two pieces. So now we can see we have got a pair. This piece belong to this side and this piece is belong to this side. So we have to keep this in front of us, and now these three pieces will rotate and that will solve the corners. Okay, so now keep this in front and we'll have to perform the same algorithm. So u r 2u prime l prime 2u r prime 2u prime and l. So now again we'll have to see whether this, okay, one more time we have to do it. So u r 2u prime l prime 2u r prime 2u prime l. Okay, so now we can see all the pieces are into its correct position. Now only thing is we need to rotate these two pieces. So again we'll use the same algorithm. You can do RIDI RD also, and you can do RU R prime also. So I'll use RU R prime U prime. So RU R prime U prime, U R prime U prime, U prime. So this is fixed. Bring this piece over here. Again RU R prime U prime, and our cube is solved. So here also what we'll do is we have to first check whether any of the pieces are into its correct position or not. Sorry. So this piece belongs to this side, and this piece doesn't belong to this side. Okay, so we have only one piece which is into its correct position. So we'll use the similar algorithm. So this is our top layer, and this piece we have to keep it in front right, and we'll have to perform this algorithm, that is u r 2u prime 1 2. This is our l, so l prime 2u r prime 2u prime and l. Okay, what it has done is, now you can see we have two pieces which are into its correct position, but it is not into its correct position. This piece belongs to this side because it has orange color. Okay. Now these two pieces, this piece and this piece, this is green and yellow and this is green and yellow, so these two pieces are together. So what we'll do is we'll keep these two pieces in front and we'll have to rotate these three pieces. Okay, so hold it like this. So this should be in front, and we'll have to perform this algorithm, u r 2u prime, this is our l, so l 2u r prime 2u prime and l. Okay, so now we can see this piece belongs to this side because it has green and yellow. No, it doesn't belongs to this side because it has orange color, and this is into its correct position, this is into its correct position. Okay, so these two are also into its correct position. So from here also we can do, because these two pieces, yellow and orange, and this is yellow and red, so these two pieces are into its correct position, and we'll rotate these three pieces. Okay. So now our R will be this and L will be this. So U R to U prime, this is our L. So L prime to U R prime to U prime and L. Okay. So now we'll see, we have to rotate one more time. So U R to U prime L prime to U R prime to U prime and L. Okay, so now you can see these two corners are also into its correct position, but this is rotated and this is also rotated. So now we have to just rotate these two corners. So you can do RU R prime U prime, or you can do you can use RID IRD. So I'll use RU R prime U prime. So RU R prime U prime, RU R prime U prime. So this is fixed. Okay, now we have to bring this piece over here. Again RU R prime U prime, RU R prime U prime, RU R prime U prime, RU R prime and U prime, and now we have to just rotate it. So our cube is solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message